Do you want to achieve financial freedom, have the opportunity to invest, and ultimately enjoy life, but don't know where to start? The Regolith investment platform was established in 2021 to help everyone invest easily and conveniently. We find high-potential deals in areas such as pre-IPO, private equity, real estate, funds, and cryptocurrencies. Then, we reduce the entry threshold for you, making it easier to access these opportunities. With us, you can invest as little as $100 right from the comfort of your phone or computer. Confirm your identity within 7 minutes and make an investment in just a few clicks. You can pay using a credit card, Apple or Google Pay, a Swift transfer, or cryptocurrency. What should you invest in? That depends on your goals. For long-term investments, consider pre-IPO and venture capital deals. According to statistics, these grow up to 7 times faster than the overall market. If you want to receive regular dividends, consider stocks, real estate, or gold funds. Investing in cryptocurrencies is available through funds, mining, or the direct purchase of coins. Watch your investments grow and analyze the performance of your portfolio. With Regolith, you can rest assured. We have a wide legal structure. You can find us on Bloomberg, Lay, SEC. Join over 6,500 satisfied users who've invested more than 100,000 times through our platform. Invest and achieve your financial goals with Regolith.